what are you doing out here?
Cleaning up after the horse and dog.
Why are you doing that?
Give the chickens something to do.
Chickens something to do.
Yeah, it's winter time. There's not much green out here to move the chickens to, so they can move. I almost fell.
You almost fell. You fell scooping poop?
I almost tripped over my own foot.
Looks like your poop machine came to visit. Is he inspecting your work?
Yes. Oh, he's embarrassed. He doesn't want you to see him. Sorry, chickens.
So in each one of our mobile chicken tractor areas, we have a compost in there. So periodically we'll go and gather manure from the field, from the horse and the donkey, and add it to these composts. So the bugs and insects that go in here, and microbes and other stuff that the chickens eat, provide some a little bit something to do, a bit of extra food. So we'll go through that and scratch it all up, get all kinds of microbes out of there. Microbes and insects and bugs that will actually get in there even in the cold weather. So very helpful, and also helping us by creating some nice compost. Potential compost. So we drive and we use the Yanmar T235 Tractor and pick up as much as we can. Right now we have a full bucket there. But if you didn't have a tractor, you could also do this with your wheelbarrow or cart or whatever you have. Just yeah. So these compost piles when we have the gardens going, they'll get all the spent greens and vegetables and stuff that we don't use. That'll all get put in here as well. Right now we have manure and some old hay. Probably a little bit of garden residue left in there, maybe closer to the bottom.
Well, and I just put carrots and apples.
Carrots and apples from the kitchen. I've already eaten that, yeah. So, but here you go, guys. We're putting out a new smorgasbord for you. So after adding all the material to these composts in our 3 chicken tractors out here, they will scatter the stuff all out here. It'll be all over around here. And a lovely farmhand here will come out and she rakes all that stuff back up, puts it right back in the compost for them to go again. And then we will gather more material to go in there. So just again, it just gives the chickens something to do and gives them a little bit of extra food source. And anything you can do these days to reduce your feed bill and keep your chickens happy is a win-win. Didn't take them long at all. They are right in there on top of that, starting to dig around and scratch around, expressing their chicken selves.